Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika. Here is what I bring to you from the world of medicine. A protein-based gel can be used for higher performance, more sustainable skincare products. NYU Tandon School of Engineering researchers have created a novel protein-based gel as a potential ingredient in sustainable and high-performance personal skincare products. This protein-based material named Q5 could transform the rheological or flow-related properties of personal skincare products, making them more stable under the slightly acidic conditions of human skin. This innovation could also streamline the creation of more eco-friendly skincare products, offering increased efficacy and durability while addressing market demands for ethically sourced ingredients. In a new study published in ACS, Applied Polymer Material from the lab of Professor of Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering, Jin K. Montclair, researchers have created a novel protein-based gel as a potential ingredient in sustainable and high-performance personal skincare products. Current formulations often rely on ingredients such as polysaccharides or synthetic polymers to achieve the desired texture, stability and compatibility with skin's natural pH, which is mildly acidic. However, these traditional rheological modifiers have raised environmental concerns regarding sourcing and sustainability. To take on this challenge, Montclair and her colleagues fabricated a self-assembling coiled coil protein they called Q5. In the study, Q5 demonstrated impressive pH stability. The protein's unique structure enables it to form strong gels that do not degrade easily under acidic conditions, enhancing the longevity and performance of skincare products. This resilience marks a significant improvement over earlier protein-based gels, which typically dissembles in lower pH environment. Notably, the researchers suggest that Q5 could be produced sustainably via bacterial or yeast fermentation, circumventing the ethical and ecological issues associated with animal-derived proteins or synthetic polymers. The protein's natural ability to attract and retain moisture also enables it to bind various molecules, adding versatility as a moisturizer or binding agent in skincare products. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.